My name's Andrew Wathen. I'm the owner of Green Beginnings Child Centre in Kingies. We've got a couple of childcare centres in Boccarina and Bottingham. We installed solar in order to create our own electricity and reduce the cost of energy from the grid. We're a pretty self-sustaining centre and service. Since installing the solar system, we've had lots of benefits. Our energy bills have been reduced to next to nothing. We're not relying on any energy from the grid, so it sits with our name of being sustainable. We previously had a 5 kilowatt solar system at Green Beginnings. We contacted Circuit Alert to put in a new system and we ended up with a 30 kilowatt system. I definitely recommend Circuit Alert for its new solar system. They've installed 3 for us now in different properties. They've always been reliable, the systems have been good systems, at a good price, and yeah, they've just done a great job.